teach you how to do a front handspring, but before we do anything, you have to warm up. But you could already be warmed up, so if you are, just skip to 50 seconds into the video. And if you're not warmed up, you could just do simple body warming exercises, or you can copy the ones I'm doing on screen, or you can even use one of the stretching videos I've made in the past. Okay, now that we're all warmed up, we can finally learn the steps of doing a front handspring. So first, you have to be able to do a front walkover. And if you can't do a front walkover, that's okay, because you can use my video I made in the past to learn. You've probably noticed that unlike the front walkover, the front handspring lands with your feet together. So you should practice doing front walkovers, but instead of landing with your feet apart, land with your feet together. The next step is important because you may notice in a front handspring that there is a moment where nor your feet or hands are on the ground, so then this part is important to get momentum to do that. So when your feet come together, you want to move them forward almost in like a pike position to snap them back up and move your hands up also with it. And lastly, you add a hurdle, jump, whatever it's called, in front of it for more momentum. And wow, look, a front handspring. After kind of mastering this, you can kind of make up other moves like this one. I don't know what it is, but I can do it. So, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. And yeah.
Sayonara.